Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of IPTV on your Firestick. It's easier than you think and perfect for all your favorite shows. First, let's ensure your Firestick is connected to the internet. Navigate through the settings menu to confirm your Wi-Fi connection is strong and stable. Next up, we'll download a necessary app for IPTV. Use your Firestick remote to search for and download Downloader from the App Store. With Downloader ready, we input the IPTV URL. It's crucial to enter the link accurately to ensure a seamless installation without any hiccups. Now, let's configure your IPTV. Open the installed app, input the necessary credentials, and explore the extensive channel selection at your fingertips. In conclusion, setting up IPTV on your Firestick is really that simple. Troubleshooting tips can save the day, ensuring uninterrupted streaming joy.